Hello, this is Eddie with your Machine Diagnostics, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the Jaltest commercial vehicles tool. I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can connect to a vehicle and highlight some of the things that you can do when connecting. So, a couple of things to consider is that with Jaltest, you have a couple of ways to connect, right? Like one of them is the manual option. You can see the type of vehicles, whether it's from the manufacturer to light, heavy duty trailers, buses. Let's say you have a heavy duty truck or a heavy duty Caterpillar, for example. You want to go and look for the specific model, and the software will give you the option to, connect to the vehicle, showing you the type of connectors that you can use. Now, one of the things that you can do with Jaltest to save you time, instead of going by brand and by model, is that you have the auto option. And this is how you use the heavy duty 9-pin or any of the connectors that come with the tool. And one of the reasons why you want to leverage these tools is that all you have to do is identify what type of connector you're going to be using. Let's say you have the heavy duty 9-pin. And basically, all you do is click on the heavy duty 9-pin, you plug into the truck, you put the ignition key, and then choose the system scan plus read full codes, click proceed, and then the system will start detecting the type of vehicle you have. It'll give you the VIN information, it'll give you the year, it'll give you all of the systems. And as I mentioned, it doesn't really matter what system you have. If you have a Packard engine, if you have a Cummins engine, if you have an Allison transmission, it doesn't matter. The system will track and read all of the fault codes. It'll give you the make, the model at the same time that is giving you all of the diagnostics, fault codes. It'll give you the actions that you can take, like regions, calibrations, parameters, you name it, right? So while this is loading, this is a quick way for you to take advantage of the auto connect feature. And again, right, like you always have multiple options to connect. So this is one of the main differentiators that save you a lot of time, super efficient, and you definitely want to leverage in your day to day. Thank you for watching.